Balanz is a finance broking debt advisory business with circa 20 staff located over 3 different locations. We're one of the largest finance broking companies in Australia, and typically looking after clients anywhere from PAYG staff all the way through to large complex companies. Stephen Corbett, Director at Balanz. I guess prior to engaging with Out in the Clouds, Balanz didn't have a true CRM system we're operating on, so the business was very fragmented. A lot of information spread over different data sources. So the problem we're trying to resolve, I guess, was to streamline the business and have more consistency with regards to how we operate it. Yeah, so I guess having close to 500 clients across the business, there's a large wealth of information that we're trying to keep access of at any given point in time. So by adopting Salesforce, we've been able to streamline a lot of the data and give us access to more accurate information at points in time. Yeah, so we don't typically measure the financial element, so to speak. We more measure, I guess, client engagement, client success, and from there we believe that the financial rewards flow from that. So what we've already been able to see is situations where clients have upcoming facilities that are due for renewal, or even the small tangible things like birth dates, etc., where you're actually being able to engage with clients and build rapport. So we're already starting to see improvements in those various factors. Yeah, so the feedback has been great so far. So the younger crew members are obviously very keen to take on new tasks and learn the system. Some of the older guys are slowly chipping away at it, but the feedback to date has been very good at trying to get a much better in-depth knowledge of our clients at all times. Found Out in the Clouds to be excellent. So prior to engaging, we had multiple meetings with multiple CRM providers, and the information, I guess, that we went through was obviously consistent with everyone, explained exactly what it was that we're trying to achieve out of the project. The key difference, though, was that when we're talking with Arnold and the team at Out in the Clouds, they very clearly understood the financial services industry. They very clearly understood the various terms and lingos that we use within the industry, where a lot of the other CRM providers, we sort of felt that they were saying yes, but didn't truly understand what it was that we're trying to achieve. So I think Out in the Clouds was actually a major reason as to why we engaged with Salesforce and not actually another CRM provider.